Hey guys, today let's learn how to save Snapchat memories to your camera roll. So this is going to be pretty easy as well. All we need to do first is to launch the Snapchat application. Once we're already here on the Snapchat application, I'd like you to go on over your memories, which is going to be located over here. So if you tap on your DM section, you're going to see your DMs. If you tap on this stories section, you're going to see the stories of other people. But if you'd like to go ahead and access the memories, let's tap on this memories section, which is going to be located on the lower left part of our screens. And then we get now access to the memories that we have. So as you would see, if you would like to go ahead and basically download some of the memories that you have on here, all we need to do is to just go ahead and go on the memories section and then proceed with choosing the preferred memory and then downloading it on your device, just as you would with downloading a photo that you have took on your Snapchat application. Now essentially it's that easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.